Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Girlie, your friendly graphic designer.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away.
For today's video, our topic will be about Canva animation. So if you're struggling or you need help in creating your animations in Canva, this is the perfect video for you. So today's video, I'm going to present to you a simple way of animating your pictures this year. As you can see, animation is really good for your social media posts because it drives more engagement and more attention on social media. So today, you're going to learn how to do it, and for a beginner, if you're a beginner or you're just starting to learn design, it's not so hard to do it in Canva. So let me teach you how to do that. So the question is, how can I find the animations that I want, or the animation that matches the topic that I have for the day? So let's move on to the next slide, okay? So first, I will discuss to you the meaning of an animation. According to Google, animation is the technique of photographing successive drawings or positions of puppets or models to create an illusion of movement when the movie is shown as a sequence. So there are a lot of type of animation. Advanced animation, we can see it in cartoons, in movies, but today we will learn the simple or the basics of animation in a form of a pose, in a form of a picture. So in the next slides, what I'm going to teach you is how are you going to find the right stickers. And before I do that, I'm going to show you some sample that I usually use for my everyday living as a working at home. So these are the stickers that are related to me. But I will also teach you how you can find stickers that are related to you. It could be your career, it could be something about your day, so that you can find the right stickers or animations for your own post. So next slide. For example, this keyword, you can see here that I input, I'm going to type it, and you're gonna see how this stickers will show up. So I'm gonna copy that and go to element, and then I'm going to paste the keyword office stickers. So here, as you can see here, you can see different types of stickers right here. There is a girl walking with her files, a man sending files, a man with a laptop, a man presenting, a woman typing in a laptop. So these are samples of the things you can see in the office, and to make it more lively, you can use these stickers. Actually, there are a lot here in this section, but this is the right keyword for you to see this type of stickers. Okay. The next, so for those who are working at home, this is for you. So what I'm going to type in the keyword is the word work sticker. So let me just copy that on the search engine of the element. So there. Okay. So as you can see here, you can see this work from home, opening a laptop, this one done for today, switch on, switch off, work mode, and your deadlines, your multitasking, highly productive animation. And this one is too cute because it says your work attire and you're just wearing your pajamas, because that's what a work at home setup. Like sometimes you could just work with our pajamas on, and then we can just work at home, right? So work from home playlist, maybe you were working with music, and then you can create a post wherein you're sharing your playlist, and on the side there is a moving tablet there, right? So this is very helpful, and so this is very helpful for those who love moving pictures. Okay, next slide. I'm going to show you these stickers. Okay, it says weekdays sticker. So by just typing this on the search engine of the Elements, you can see here a lot of style, a lot of sample of a weekday sticker. So for me, if you're looking for like a specific day, for example, you just it's Monday, you're going to post something about Monday, so I'm going to search for Monday sticker. It could be Tuesday sticker, and then it will show up these different types of sticker. Okay, okay, let me try one. Oh no, Monday sticker. Okay, let's paste that, and there you go. You can see a lot of Monday sticker sample. There's a cursive right there, a colorful one. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of style. All you have to do is be specific with the day plus the word sticker. I don't know how many times I said sticker in this video, but that is just the way to do it. Okay, next keyword. So if you've been working like graveyard shift or you're working at home, coffee is life. So I think this one is a very good sample. So I'm just gonna type coffee sticker, and then I can see there a lot of moving stickers. Some are like a cartoon, some are just there's moving smoke right there. Okay, it says deep work here. Yeah, there's a lot of variety of cute stickers of coffee. Okay, yeah. So next slide is the arrow sticker. So why did I put this here? Because sometimes when we have like a call to action, like download here, go here, learn more, where we want to make sure that those call to action are being highlighted. So you're gonna put a moving arrow, maybe download here, something like that. It will help your post to be more like interactive. People actually want to click the arrow just because the arrow keeps moving beside the word learn more or something, or buy this, add to cart, something like that. So putting arrow on next to your CTA is very effective. So all you had to do is just search the word arrow sticker. So I'm gonna put that there, and then I'm gonna scroll down and until I see a moving arrow. So here you can see that there's a lot of options here. So there you go. So as an advice, if okay, so on this last part of the video, this is actually how I do it, and I find it easier to find the right sticker animations that I really wanted. So for example, so this is the technique that I use in order for me to find the right sticker that I will use. So in searching a keyword, all you have to do is write the word what you are looking for. And then you just have to add the word sticker, animation, effects, or moving. For example, I'm looking for the sticker. For example, I'm looking for square. So, okay, let's try that out. Okay, this is the live searching. So maybe square. So the word square there is the one that I am looking for, and I'm just gonna add the word sticker. So let's see. Okay, enter. So you can see here a lot of square forms or shapes that are actually moving. So that's it for today. I hope you find this animation tutorial helpful on your editing journey. So I hope to see you on the next video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below any feedback that you have for this, and I think I can improve that on the next videos. So thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.